Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you one of the best ways to trade Binance Memecoins. Now, if you didn't know, Binance have released their own meme coin platform called Four.meme, and they've released it quite recently. Now, it's very similar to the way Pump Fund works, just making it very simple for people to create their own tokens. And you can create your own token if you like on Four.meme. Very simple to do, doesn't cost too much. All you got to do is a very similar format to Pump.fun and connect your wallet, and you can create your own meme on Binance. But trading memes on Four.meme isn't the best way to actually trade if you want to be a meme coin trader, just like with Solana. So today we're going to be looking at GMGN.AI. Now, if you didn't know, GMGN.AI is one of the best platforms for trading Solana meme coins, and all you've got to do in order to trade Binance meme coins on this platform is to go over to this section right here where it gives you the option to trade different currencies. Now click on this. For you, by default, it should just say Sol, as you can see right here. But all you got to do is click on this little drop down arrow and click BSC, and then you will see all of the Four.meme meme coins. Now, obviously, this platform is very similar to how Pump Fund works, with your new creations on the left side, the creations that are just about to migrate in the middle, the completing section, and the completed section with coins that have migrated. So here's what you got to look out for when you're trading these brand new memes on the meme decks for Four.meme. Now, all of these tokens, there's not been too many tokens that have took off to a different level like they do with Solana, but there's a way to just make sure that you don't get rogued when you're investing into these coins. Now, if you look on a new creation section down here, if you look at this tab, this just basically represents the top 10 holders. And all of these new meme coins, the top 10 holders are holding 100% of the meme coin. And they're all sitting at 6K market cap, 6K market cap. And there's not been too many tokens on this new creations in the past hour that have managed to get over 6K market cap. And if you keep on scrolling down, you can see with a lot of these tokens, all of them are basically held by the top 10 holders. They hold 100%. And then you can also see as well how much the developer holds by just looking to the right of that. So the developer holds 0% for a lot of these tokens. And another thing to look out for when you're trading these new meme coins is go over to this section. If you ever see this little gold Twitter icon right here, this basically means that the person behind the Twitter account has renamed the Twitter account and is more likely to be a rug pull. That's a really handy feature to have on Binance, which you don't have if you're trying to trade directly on Four.meme. But as I said, the majority of these tokens have not performed well and have not done anything in the past hour. So one way to actually basically help you with the new creations tab, even though you're not going to get many well performers in this section, one way to help you is to go to the filter and then click top 10 holders. Now this then gets rid of all 100% top 10 holders and shows you the meme coins that actually have bonded for one, and also where the top 10 holders are holding less than 30% and in the green. Keep an eye out as well when you see these type of tokens. If you see this basically means that there's a lot of insiders holding as well. So you just want to keep away from the tokens that have this red icon. If there's any red little icons right next to the token, then I'd be wary of the token itself. Because on Binance, obviously you can trade these meme coins, but there's not been too many meme coins that have really took off to an exponential level. There's been a couple, but I'll start to show you how you can try and find these meme coins. And one of the best ways to trade this new meme coin section on Binance is to either invest into tokens that are already trending, or to look at the trending tab and basically trade tokens that have already migrated and that have already shown to be doing well. What you want to be looking for with these meme coins is just meme coins with volume. That is one of the best ways to actually trade on Binance at the moment, because there's not enough volume in the meme coin section for Binance that will push the tokens to a decent level where you'll get some gains. Now, one of the well-performing tokens that's migrated, as seen in the past couple hours, is this Nance token. So we'll click on this Nance token. It's got a nice picture of a cute panda. So we'll have a look and see why this token has done well, even though this probably doesn't look like a decent one to invest into. Now, keep in mind with Binance as well, what you'll be seeing on Solana meme coins is that there's going to be high jumps where you can get really great gains really quickly, but you can also lose really quickly because of the amount of volume that's on the platform. If all that volume changes from buy volume to sell volume, then you're going to lose some money. But because there's not enough volume on Binance meme coins at the moment, you can get into more steady trades. And obviously it will take you longer to be able to do proper trades like this, but it's easier to tell and easier to see and easier for you to basically not get rugged when you're trading these trending meme coins that have already got volume in. So when you're on these meme coins as well, if you go over to the audits section right here and click it, this can help basically mitigate all these rug pulls. So click on this, and if any of these are in the red, just stay away from that token. Now, honeypot basically means if this is a honeypot and it says yes, completely stay away from the token, because the minute you invest into a honeypot token, you will not be able to actually sell. You'll be blacklisted from selling. This is one thing that is horrible in the meme coin space. And I've, in the past with Solana meme coins, had copy trading on, and it's got into stupid honeypot scams that you don't want to be involved in any way, shape or form, because your money just goes in and you can't sell. And usually they'll try and tell you that you've made loads of money. So just a quick side note and a funny story. I got into a token called Elon, and I got into that token early, and it told me that I had 1 million in my balance. And for a slight second, I absolutely freaked out and was like, oh my God, let me sell it. And then I realized it was a honeypot. So that's basically what honeypots are. They just artificially inflate it to show that the token's doing well. And then when people invest into it, they won't be able to get the money out. And then you have tax on this as well. So this is different to Solana. But basically, if they have buy tax or sell tax, you want to stay away from that as well, because basically every time you buy or sell, then the token will take a percentage of what you buy and sell. That's not needed with these platforms at all. So just stay away from any, if you have the security audit on and any of these are in the red, stay away from it. When you're on these meme coins as well, go to the holders tab, because you want to see how many people are holding. Obviously, it says the top 10 are holding 18.2%, so that's good. But then you want to see how many other people are holding this token as well, and what is the amount that they're holding. So the developer is holding 18%. Before that is just a couple other people that hold 3%, and you can see the profit right here. So if they're not holding a massive percentage of the token, then you could get into this token for a decent trade, especially if you got in here at the start. You'd be able to get pretty much a 2x in a couple hours time. So keep in mind that it's not going to shoot up as quickly as Solana meme coins, but there's still opportunities here. And the reason why this became trending is, I think last week, the owner of Binance, CZ, posted a picture of his dog. Now, when he posted this picture of his dog, there were so many trending tokens that went out to do with his dog called Broccoli. As you can see here, these are all the top tokens called Broccoli. Now, why are all these tokens called Broccoli doing well? The reason why is because CZ himself said all the top performing Broccoli meme coins that do well on Binance, he was going to invest some money into and basically help them. So if we have a look at this token right here, as you can see, this has been doing quite well at the moment. People have been trading this one. It went all the way down on the 18th of February. It was at 100 million market cap and then slowly started swindling down to around 20 something million. Now, if you invested in at 25 million, even though you probably think, oh, this token's crashing, if you invested in for 25 million, you could have made a decent amount here, because I believe, I'm not too sure why this pump happened. Pretty sure Binance has been investing money into these tokens to help them grow and just to have an element of these tokens growing over time. Obviously, he wants meme coins on this platform that are going to be doing well over a significant long period of time. So keep in mind that these trending Broccoli tokens, when they have little dips, they could be pumped back up. But obviously, do your own due diligence and do your own research, as always, with all of these meme coins. But if you invested in this morning at around, let's say 7:30 at 30 million, 35 million market cap, a couple hours later, that's pretty much a 4x trade. So other than Broccoli though, at the moment, I've not been seeing too many tokens take off to a decent level. Apart from this Fist token, if we have a look at this real quick and see why this is doing well. So usually Do the same type of things when you are looking for Solana meme coins, when you're looking to trade these meme coins on Binance. Just check the socials and check what they're all about. So if we click the Telegram, we can see how many people are in the Telegram. That can give you a decent idea. So there's 5,000 members in this Telegram about this fish coin. So that could give you an idea. Obviously, there's a lot of volume going into this token. No idea why. I'm not too sure why it's trending at the moment. But then you do the same checks again and double check everything. But this one, I believe, probably might be a honeypot. So if we look at this one, it will say sometimes that it isn't a honeypot. A way to double check it is to go to this website right here called honeypot.is, and then you can basically check for different honeypot tokens. Switch to BSC and then just copy the wallet address. So how you do that is go back onto GMGN, go over to this section just where the token is, and there's an option to copy the wallet address, then copy that and then check for honeypot. So this says it's a low risk of honeypot, but then there's 5% buy tax on and 5% sell tax as well. So this one, even though it's trending at the moment, probably is worth staying away from. Now, again, like I said before, there's not been too many tokens that have been taken off on this platform at the moment, but I can imagine it to be growing, especially as Solana's crashed at the moment. So one way that I've been looking at these tokens and trying to figure out how to trade them is just by looking at volume. The more volume a token has, then the more it's going to increase in a faster period, or if it's sell volume, then it could also go down in a faster period as well. So I go to the 5-minute volume and then basically click this button here just to basically put the 5-minute volume ones, the ones that have got the highest 5-minute volume ones at the top. Then go over to this section right here where you see age. And you can customize this depending on how much volume and how many meme coins are happening at the moment. If you do like an hour, then you're not going to get really great results. You're not going to get tokens that are taking off too much. So I've been doing it as like 6 hours, 12 hours, just to see what's been trending at the moment with the most volume. Now this one has a decent amount of volume, but not too many transactions at the moment, but there's been a lot of buys in the past 5 minutes. So we can take a look at a couple of these tokens and just analyze them to see if they're worth trading. So this one's called Baby Grok. This does actually match a trend at the moment because Twitter have just released a brand new AI called Grok 3. So there's obviously a massive trend about that at the moment. So the same tactic that you'd have for Solana, where you're looking for trends within the crypto Twitter trackers and everything else like that. By the way, if you want a free crypto Twitter tracker, click the link in our description below. We've got a free Discord that gets updated with all the best crypto tweets in there. So again, all you got to do is look at the top 10, go to the audit, see if it's any chance of a honeypot. But as you can see, this token has been steadily increasing since this morning. It's only been live for 2 hours, so it's been steadily increasing with not too much of a dip. If we look at the 1 minute, we're looking at the 15 minute at the moment. If we look at the 1 minute, we can see that it's slowly staggering up, and every now and again there's a bit of a dip. But this is the thing with these tokens that are basically following some type of trend on Binance, is that if there's volume in it, it can have a really steady increase. Then we can have a look at the 12 hours, see what's been increasing here. There's this one down here, but I've been seeing quite a few scams related to this Slurf one, so I've got to stay away from that. But again, like you can see, there's not been too many meme coins that are basically taken off. But if you do manage to get into one quite early that matches a trend, then it will slowly increase over time. So this one you could have got in at around a 25k market cap, and at its highest it went to 220k market cap, and you can see again it's a very steady increase because it's obviously got volume in. But one little tactic that will work with this, the newly migrated tokens do really well on this platform as well. So if you are in the completing section, or if you were in the completed section and you see a token that doesn't have a high amount of top 10 holders and has only been launched recently in less than an hour, then usually you can get in and it'll have a decent steady increase if there's enough volume in it, that is. So obviously this one was released an hour ago, but it's got top 10 holders holding 100% of the token. So that's not worth investing into, in my honest opinion, because as soon as you put some more money into it, these top 10 holders down here that are holding over 100% will just dump on you. So yeah, the token creator is holding over 78% of the token. Not worth investing into those ones at all. So this is the thing with this platform on Binance. You've just got to be patient, really. That's the best way to do it. Got to be patient, wait for the completed section ones to come about. So if you like one way to do it, filtered section at least anyway, what you can do is put it max to 60 minutes and you won't be seeing a lot of tokens in this section at all. And then you could even be even more precise and then put the top 10 holders and you'll see pretty much nothing. But when a token does come out that matches these filters, then you'll know that it could be in for a decent run. Same for the completed section. So if we go to here, put the max age to, let's say, a couple hours, so 180 minutes, and we've got the top 10 holders on, apply. Again, nothing really is coming through there, but if something did come through on these filters, then you know that it's more likely to have a decent pump. So thank you for watching this video. If you're not too sure on how to get Binance from Solana, my best recommendation for you to not get as many fees is to just open a Binance account and swap your Solana on there for Binance Coin. But there is other ways to do it as well. There is other bridging sites like Jumper, Jupiter that you can do, but there is some fees on there. The fees are usually around the same, but my best recommendation is to just buy some Binance on Binance and send it to this wallet address right here. So if you don't know how to get your wallet address for GMGN, if you click on the top right where you've logged in from Telegram and click deposit withdrawal, and then all you got to do is copy this wallet address right here. But obviously you won't be able to see my wallet address. This will be your unique wallet address. So then send it from Binance, or if you've bridged it, send it from whatever wallet you're connected to this wallet, and then you will have access to start trading on this platform. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed. Leave a like if you have, and subscribe for more trading content.